Gilbert Remulla, welcome to The Bottom Line.
Thank you very much. Thank
Maraming
you for having
salamat. Long time no see.
me. I know.
Everybody's talking about Hubert Webb. Ikaw, what's your take?
I think that it's good that he's free. I saw him just a few moments ago, and he said, you know, he looked very cheerful. And I think everybody deserves that after what he's been through.
Ang pinag-uusapan kasi na lahat, and I spoke to him about it, is that, okay, sinasabi ng Korte Suprema, prosecution was unable to prove beyond reasonable doubt
Correct.
that you are guilty of a crime. Kaya free ka na. But it doesn't necessarily follow that he is innocent. Parang harang. Di ba? I mean, what is your take on, you know, a statement like this one? At ilawak na natin, Gilbert, on the justice system.
Nako, napakahabang usapan nito.
Napakahabang diskurso nito.
I think,
Sige, iklan lang natin.
you know, to keep it short, no, for him, I think it's with the authorities now para mahanap kung sino talaga ang gumawa. They have to bring it out. Nakakaawa rin naman sila Ro Visconde matapos siyang maiwanan ng kanyang mga kapamilya. The justice system in this country, of course, needs so much work. This is only one of those moments. These are the decisions that make you say, oh my God, what's happening to this country?
I was talking to Hubert Webb. Can you imagine that pendulum, sabi ko, of doubt will always be hanging over his head, and he will continue to try to prove to one and all that I am innocent.
It's hard to be Hubert Webb at this point. It's hard to be any of the others who have been released. No?
Okay.
Of course, Hubert Webb is the most popular among them. I wouldn't want to be in his place.
What about the stereotyping? Di ba? Galing sa mayamang pamilya o may kaya, senador ang tatay, popular ang family, may mga barkada, ay, sila nga siguro ang gumawa.
Human nature yan. Human nature.
You understand that?
Yeah, of
Because
course,
you come
definitely.
from- you
I came
come
from the
from a
media.
very-
I've come from all sides. I've
Yes.
come from the media. I've come from the
political
politics. My
landscape.
family is in
Right.
there. You know, the hardest thing about, just segueing, you know, about being in politics is that once you're a politician, once you're in office, iniisip ka agad ng tao, ay, magdanakaw yan. It's the same thing. I mean, to a different degree, of
Can you
course.
change that? Would you want?
I don't know if it'll happen in our lifetime.
But would you want to change?
Oh, syempre
Diba?
naman. I mean,
Kasi
kailangan
hindi
may
patas.
dignidad yung
Okay.
pagiging isang opisyal ng ating bansa eh.
Ang aking tanong na may kinalaman doon kay, I mean, taking it off from Hubert Webb, what is the biggest misconception about being a Remulla?
Nasiga kami.
Di ba? Di ba?
Oo, parati sinasabi
Oo.
na, nako, anak yan ni Johnny Remulla. O Remulla yan.
Nakakatakot.
Nakakatakot yan.
But-
Wag mo tataluhin yan.
Right.
Oo. Pero, okay lang.
How do you manage that?
There's no management needed because we're of the second generation and pag nakilala naman kami, wala namang problema.
Okay.
They see that we're level-headed, na edukado kami, na meron rin naman kami pwedeng sabihin, hindi lang yung panay pagka-brusko.
Was there a time that you were bothered, that you were always the son of Johnny and the brother of
No,
being the youngest?
I've always been proud of my father and my siblings.
So when you're introduced as the, you know, as the brother of Boying and the son of
being the
Johnny.
youngest. There were 6 ahead of me. Eh,
Right.
syempre.
3 boys, 3 girls.
And all of them were all popular in their own right. So, ayan, bunso yan. Ano. But, you know, in the end, dumadami lang yung kakilala mo eh.
Julius Baba would joke about, you know, you're having 3 daughters. Na, nako, baka ito ang bayad utang mo, Gilbert.
Hindi, bayad utang ng tatay ko pa yun. No. I think it's just that I've been blessed, whether it's boys or girls, but they're 3 lovely children.
Gilbert, how important, I'm not talking, this is Gilbert before the marriage. How important were women in your concept of happiness?
Siyempre, malaking bagay yun.
Babaero ka nung bata ka?
Hindi. sa palagay
Totoo
ko.
bang nagka-black eye ka at one point
Hindi
ng
totoo
isa
yun.
ng mga kapatid
That's
dahil pinagsabay mo ang 2 babae at sinuntok ka sa mata at nagka-black eye ka, Gilbert?
That's an urban legend.
Talaga?
Yeah, hindi totoo yun. Hindi totoo
Kasi
yun.
one of our sources, I mean, I'm sure, you know, you have
I
an
know
idea
who that is.
Sinabi sa akin, alam mo, nagka-black eye yan, hindi dahil sa lalaki, nagka-black eye yan dahil sa babae. Nagkamali yata ng hatid ng sulat at regalo.
Hindi. Not at all. Not at all.
There was also a time in your life when you were linked to, a number of celebrities. Was that
there
difficult?
was a time.
I mean,
No,
I would
not at
name
all.
names. Anyway, Gilbert, ito yung nakaraan na.
Oo, talaga.
Dina Morales, Pia Guanyo.
It was interesting.
At hindi lang yan, no? It was interesting. You wanna add more to that? It was interesting. Okay, mabilisan lamang. Pinag-uusapan ngayong ang issue ng Chacha. Your take?
I think it's high time. I've always been an advocate for it. The
Right timing ito ngayon?
The timing is right.
Okay.
There are a lot of things that need to be changed in the Constitution for us to be a more vibrant democracy that is more responsive to the people.
All right. And you also acknowledge the fact that there are parts of the Constitution that should be amended.
Of course.
3.4 million Filipinos are hungry today, sabi ng mga dyaryo.
I think it would be more.
It would be more.
I think it would be more.
And
I think if you go around the countryside, you will see it. If you talk to people, you will see it. One thing good about the presidential campaign and the Senate campaign that I went through, nakaikot ako ng bansa, nakita ako kung gaano kahirap ang buhay in the countryside.
Okay.
And I think there are more people going hungry. There's just no clear way to really...
I was going there
Write it down.
because I know it cannot be a simplistic answer. But if I were to ask you right now, ano ba ang solusyon sa gutom?
Long-term to eh.
Long-term.
Long-term. It has to be a long-term. We need to have our focus on agriculture, invest so much more in agriculture.
Okay.
Education is a long-term thing. You need generations to fix this problem. You need to put in a lot of foreign investment for jobs kasi hindi kaya ng puhunan natin dito.
But in the
sa bansa.
meantime, you will have to content yourself with palliatives.
Yes, of course. And the problem with short-term governments,
Solutions.
six-year governments, and unstable ones at that, is that you always think of the short term. It's hard to plan medium and long term.
Because you don't have much time.
Yes, and
Diba?
you want to fit in as much as you can within the 6 years. And you're playing to the press. Ang gusto mo lang magpasikat, maalala ka ng tao sa ginawa mo sa 6 na taon na yon.
Okay.
But that's it eh.
You're playing to the media, you're playing to the public, you're playing to the international community.
Pero hindi mo iniisip ano ba talaga yung mga underlying na kailangan gawin.
That makes a lot of sense.
Oo.
Okay, ngayon napakaingay. Maraming mga mambabatas, maraming mga public servants ang nasa headlines. Di ba? What is your take on Ronald Singson, for example? Divided ang House. May mga nagsasabi, bigyan naman natin ng pagkakataon. Let the trial continue if he's found guilty, and then let's act. May mga nagsasabi...
If he admitted guilt, then I think he should resign.
That's your position?
Yeah, that's my position.
Okay.
And I think he has, if the newspapers are correct.
If he admits that he's guilty of possession, di ba?
Whether it be possession
Possession
or selling, whatever,
Okay, he should.
you should. I mean, you should not have that stain in the house.
Gilbert, ganito. In the last elections, in the last senatorial elections, you were one of the most qualified. You were one of the best looking. You were one of the candidates who was most familiar with media, with the political landscape. There was so much hope from so many people that you were going to make it. My question is simple. Bakit natalo si Gilbert Remulla? The answer, sa pagbabalik po. That's the bottom line.
The opponents won at the time. Hindi dahil mas magaling sila. Mas magaling lang sila manira.